All right, so for my fraction division review, problem 9, the question is, if 3 friends share 1/6 of a birthday cake equally, what fraction of the entire cake will each friend receive? So I'm going to start by circling what I know and underlining what I don't know, or what the question is asking me. So it says, if 3 friends, so I know I have 3 friends, share 1/6 of a birthday cake equally, so there's 1/6 of a birthday cake, what fraction of the entire cake will each friend receive? So it's asking me what fraction of the cake each friend will receive. So I already know my units. My units is I'm going to get a fraction of the entire cake. So my fraction is going to be, or my units are going to be of the cake. Okay, so now what I need to figure out, is it 3 divided by 1/6 or 1/6 divided by 3? So let's think about it. If it were 3 divided by 1/6, I would be saying how many 1/6 are in 3? So I have 3 friends. Would it be asking how many 1/6 are in 3 friends? That doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to try it the other way. Would it be 1/6 divided by 3? Well, it says 1/6 of a birthday cake, and then I need to split it among 3 friends. Okay, that makes sense. If I'm taking 1/6 and dividing it into 3 equal parts, that makes sense. So that is my question. So I always start with the dividend. That's that first number. And I'm going to draw a picture. Personally, when my dividend is a fraction, I like to draw my whole as a rectangle. If you're doing a circle, I would have to break it into 6 pieces like this. And then I would have to break each of those pieces into 3 more pieces. Or into 3 pieces. And you could do that. It's more confusing for me. So I don't like to do it that way. When I'm starting with when my dividend is a fraction, I like to start with a rectangle for my picture. So I just split my rectangle into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So think of this as my cake, my rectangle cake like you buy from the grocery store, or like you make in a 9x13 pan if you're a baker. So I have 1/6 of my cake. This is what I have. Now I need to split that among 3 friends. Those 3 friends, that's my divisor. So I'm going to break it into 1, 2, 3 pieces. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3 pieces. That 1/6 is in 3 pieces. Now it says how much will each friend receive. So I'm only looking for one of these pieces. And it just so happens that when we are dividing a unit fraction, which means that our numerator is 1, we will always have a 1 as our numerator. Now, how many pieces are in the cake now in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 is 18. I have 3 rows of 6. So my answer is 1/18 of what? 1/18 of the cake. Well, you can see my whole is the cake. My whole is what my units are. So each friend gets 1/18 of the cake.